Hello, beautiful yogis. Welcome to the wonderful world of yoga. Yoga is a practice for everyone. It helps you become flexible, it makes you stronger, and it's good for your mind. You don't need to be flexible to do yoga. You don't need any special equipment. Just bring yourself and an open mind. In this beginner tutorial, we'll learn 5 simple poses. We'll move slowly and breathe deeply. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Let's start with mountain pose. It looks easy, but it's a powerful pose. Stand with your feet together. Press your feet into the ground. Lift your chest. Relax your shoulders. Mountain pose improves posture. It strengthens legs and core. It helps you feel grounded. Hold the pose for 5 deep breaths. Feel your connection to the earth. From mountain pose, we'll move into downward facing dog. Start on your hands and knees. Step your feet back hip width apart. Lift your hips up and back. Make an upside down V shape. Keep hands shoulder width apart. Downward facing dog stretches your entire body. It strengthens arms and legs. It can help relieve stress. Hold for 5 breaths. Pedal your feet to gently stretch your calves. From downward facing dog, step your right foot forward. Turn your left foot slightly out. Rise up, bending your right knee. Reach your arms overhead. Keep your gaze forward. Warrior. I build strength and stamina. It stretches your hips and chest. It can boost confidence. Hold Warrior Y for 5 breaths. Then switch sides. Section 5. Finding calm child's pose or balasana. Now let's find rest in child's pose. Kneel on your mat. Bring your big toes together. Sit back on your heels. Fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms forward. Child's pose is a resting pose. It gently stretches the back and hips. It can help calm your mind. Stay in child's pose for 5 breaths. Feel your spine lengthen. Section 6. Flowing with breath cat-cow stretch. Marjaryasana Bidalasana. From child's pose, come onto your hands and knees. Keep your back flat. As you inhale, drop your belly and look up. This is cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. This is cat pose. Cat-cow is a gentle flow. It warms the body and brings flexibility to the spine. It can also help improve digestion. Continue flowing with your breath for 5 rounds. Section 7. Listen to your body. The key to a sustainable practice. You did it. You completed your first yoga practice. How do you feel? Remember to listen to your body. Yoga is not about pushing yourself too hard. It's about finding what feels good. If you feel any pain, stop and adjust the pose. You can always modify poses to suit your needs. Section 8. The journey of yoga, regular practice, and mindfulness. Congratulations on taking the first step on your yoga journey. The more you practice, the more benefits you'll experience. Remember to breathe deeply throughout each pose. Pay attention to your body and your breath. You can practice these poses anytime, anywhere. Find a quiet space and enjoy the journey. Section 9. Your yoga adventure begins. Yoga is a gift you give to yourself. It's a practice of self-care and self-discovery. Keep exploring different poses and styles. Find what resonates with you. Namaste and enjoy the journey.